Good evening and welcome to 200forexpips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 26th of October 2018. Okay guys, we have seen a very great day with Forex signals, and I am going to start today's discussion from Euro USD. So guys, today I have supplied the bullish signal. In case of Euro USD, the entry was 113730 and the target price was 114100. And guys, basically, first of all, the entry was break in the morning, but later on we have drop on the next candle, so it might hit the stop loss of most of the traders. And again, during the second session of the day, the market has again retested our entry, and finally it is up and it has touched the target price. So that trade was closed during the early session, but if you have traded the Euro USD in the second session of the day, then you must have collected a good profit because it has went straight as per the signals report. Okay, now let's talk about Great Britain Pound JPY. I'm going to take you towards the signals report. So Great Britain Pound JPY with a bearish expectation from 143543 and the target price was 142851. And guys, we have seen a drop in the morning on Great Britain Pound JPY. It has made the bearish pattern and finally it hit the target price 142851. So if you have traded this zone, then you must have collected a very good profit. Okay, now let's talk about the third signal of my signals report, that is Great Britain Pound USD. A bullish signal was supplied from 128159 and the target price was 128855. And guys, you can see during the second session of the day we have taken the U-turn on the Great Britain Pound USD, and finally it's bit up from the entry. So if you have done scalping, then it's a bit profitable signal. Okay, now let's talk about the massive signal that was provided on AUD USD with a bullish expectation from 070375 and 070601 was the target price. And guys, you can see that today Great USD has went massively up and it has went beyond the barriers of the target price that I have supplied in my signals report. So those subscribers who have taken the buy positions today on AUD USD, they must have collected a very good profit because it has went straight up. Okay, now let's talk about the drop that we have seen today on USD CHF, and that drop was already provided in the morning. 0,99918 was the bearish entry and 0,99642 was the target price. And guys, you can see that in the second session of the day the market has finally gone near. Okay, now look at this candle. It started to pump on that time during the entry, so it does not mean that when the market is just touching the entry level you are going to take a trade. No, always it's important that if the size of the candle is normal and you need to wait for a close below the entry, that's important. And whenever you see that it's gaining a very good massive pressure, then only you can take a signal right from the entry. Otherwise there is no need to need to wait for a close so that you can take a better trade on any pair. Okay, now let's talk about the USD Canadian dollar. Easy signal was supplied in the form of a bearish trend from 131296 and 130708 was the target price. And guys, throughout the day it was up. Finally it has taken the U-turn. The entry was triggered and you can see that it has touched the target price 130708. So if you have traded this one, then you must have collected the profit. Okay, scalping is done on Euro JPY, and right now Euro JPY is just testing the entry. However, a bit I have just placed this trade out of the zone of the signals entry. However, guys, if you want to trade Euro JPY, but I do not recommend that at the moment because you know that the market will get close in a few hours. So overall, if you want to trade and if you see that the market pumps above 127661, then it will be in a bullish zone and the target price is 128365. At last, I am going to talk about AUD JPY, and we have seen a massive momentum on this pair, and that's the last pair of my signals report. A clear bullish trend was supplied from 78994 and 79361 was the target price. And guys, you can see it right. We have seen the bullish trend right from the entry, and finally AUD JPY has crossed the target price barriers. Okay guys, this is for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel. Let me explain sell in the top red boundary with confirmations. If you see that the market has went inside the top red boundary, and if you see that the bearish pattern has started from the top red boundary, then you can sell the pair. And whenever you see that the market has gone into the lower red boundary, and if it starts making a bullish pattern like you can see here, then you can buy the pair. And this is how we use the trading system. Okay guys, we have closed this week in a very good manner, and hopefully you people must have made good profits. So I just recommend the traders who have made the profits, please send the screenshots so that I can share on my Facebook page. So guys, if you want to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators, If you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this, please send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.